Thanks for joining us for the next part of our webinar. Topology Study is a new design guidance study type that adds similar technology to the simplicity of a typical simulation setup. Loads and fixtures are added as usual, followed by user-defined goals and constraints to drive the calculation. In this example, we'll look at the best stiffness to weight ratio. Additionally, you can use manufacturing controls like wall thickness or symmetry, and here we'll use preserved regions to maintain enough material for the bearing. The mold tools give results more suitable for traditional manufacturing processes. Topology Study uses an iterative solver. Rather than wait, let's jump to the finished study. Results include a plot showing material safe to remove, or you can opt for a smooth mesh, a great starting point for additive manufacturing, and mesh results can be saved directly to a new configuration or a new part. Additionally, stress calculation based on the mesh result is also available, giving you even greater confidence in the recommended topology. A great way to leverage your topology study results is with simulation display. You can overlay the mesh or material mass plot and use this guide traditional feature creation, like a sketch picture, but only in 3D. Why and how would this new simulation study type benefit you? We have to stay competitive in the market. You can have the tool to bring out more efficient designs. They can be lightweight, use less materials, which save on material and transport cost. With simulation topology study, we can start thinking about how we can take our design further, how we can start utilizing great new technologies like 3D printing. SOLIDWORKS isn't just your typical 3D modeling program. It's shaping the products that are out there in our industries. From tooth implants, restoring vintage vehicle, designing a race bike using fluid dynamic analysis, and decreasing our product turnaround time. Let's make use of these well-developed technologies and features in SOLIDWORKS to keep pushing boundaries, create more refined products. I encourage you to take at least one of these new features from this webinar and implement it in your projects in this coming weeks. Thank you all for watching our What's New SOLIDWORKS 2018 webinar hosted by NCCS. I'm Maverick Chung, Application Engineer for your SOLIDWORKS product. I hope you have found this webinar useful and little tips and tricks that can help you in your design process.